So let me tell y'all about this amazing cleaner I found, Dawn Power Wash. If you go down and look at your cabinets, you may notice, especially in the kitchen, gunk everywhere, all in the crevices, and stains on the cabinets. Looking at this, it's quite yucky. Oh, there's white stuff. Who knows what that is? Some other kind of crud over there. Well, it's real simple. All you need to do is take a microfiber cloth and some Dawn Power Wash and just take the spray bottle and spray it right on there. You can let it sit for a few seconds or let it sit for a little while. It doesn't matter. Harder stains might need a little bit more time. But in my case, I didn't really wait at all. I just took it immediately and started cleaning. Here you can see I'm just wiping down the cabinets. No need to scrub at all. You might need to get your fingernail in there to get in the crevices. Maybe use the rag a little bit differently. Maybe bend the rag a little bit. But really all I'm doing is just wiping. The Dawn does the rest. And look at that. All of that grime, those white spots, that brown spot, whatever the heck that was, all of it's gone. Look at that. Beautiful. But it doesn't just work on cabinets. It also works on baseboards too. Look at all that dirt and hair. Just spray the Dawn Power Wash on and wipe it down with your microfiber cloth. You might have to dig a little bit deeper for the corners, but you just wipe. No need to scrub. Comes out just perfectly clean. Here's another place to look. Check out your doors. All those nasty fingerprints and stuff that spills on it. I don't even know what this stuff is. Just spray it down and wipe. Again, no need to scrub. It comes right off. Again, you can let it sit for a little bit if you've got harder stains, but all the stains you're going to see around the house are going to come off just by spraying and wiping. Look at how beautiful that looks. All done. And that is how you clean your baseboards and trim. See y'all next time.